villa that lends itself as quiet, private and ready to move in is about to hit the market, and if history would repeat itself, you're going to have to be fast to act because they don't typically last long. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian and welcoming you to 18 at 9 Boundary Road, Mosman Park. Entry from a modest sized front courtyard lands you directly in the living area with reverse cycle air conditioning and a versatile dining area. The kitchen is long but has been tastefully updated to have a dishwasher, a double sink and plenty of storage, plus it flows directly outside to a rear courtyard. Out here in the backyard there is a carport, a store shed, plus it's all north facing. The living quarters features 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a separate laundry. Both bedrooms have inbuilt robes and the bathroom has been tastefully updated. There's a real sense of community here in this group of 25 villas. It would make for a perfect way to break into the western suburbs or an astute investment given how good the location is, being only 550 metres from the beach. I look forward to showing you through shortly.